this cute fish? What color is this? It's blue. Let's color the bubbles blue. Look, it's turning blue. Round and bright. Great job! Now, the medium bubble. Blue, blue, blue. Beautiful! One little bubble left. Let's color it blue. Perfect! What color is this? It's pink. Let's color the shell pink. Look, it's turning pink. Pink is so pretty. We are almost finished.